Ano ng mga ganap, movie, TV, music, pero pag-usapan muna natin itong Drugs to Riches.
Yes.
It's been a while since nakita ka namin nag-comedy. Parang last mo pa, Elenia El.
Actually.
Kumusta naman ang paggawa ulit ng comedy after more than 10 years?
Actually, sobrang nakakakaba. Actually, I would say this is my first talagang yung tadong comedy. Kasi yung Elena Elme, pagka rom-com pa rin yun in a way. So ito talaga kabadong-kabado. Pero I guess what made it really fun was the cast that I was with. Si Christian Bables. Si Bables, dati ko na siya kaklase. Workshop pa lang, bago pa practice si Bables. Nakakasama ko na siya sa mga eksena. So masaya ako na nakapagtrabaho kami for a project. And of course, si Elijah, he's one of my friends in showbiz and outside showbiz as well. And dami namin puro kulitan lang talaga. Siyempre yung mga drag queens sa kasama rin natin. Sobrang nakakatuwa yung makita yung passion nila sa ginagawa nila. And that was my first time seeing the work that they have to put in just to get into the characters. Just even doing the drag shows that they do.
That's good.
So, grabe yung preparation nila. And of course, para sa akin, enjoy ko lang talaga lahat yung proseso. Andun yung kaba, meron kami mga moments ni Elijah after namin shooting. Kami, debriefing, sabi namin, Tol, nakakatawa ba tayo? Tama ba itong ginagawa natin?
Oh my God!
Meron kami moments na talagang iniisip namin, okay ba tayo? Wala naman tumatawa sa set. Pero syempre, masaya kami na minimum to be able to do something that's outside of our comfort zone. Outside of my comfort zone. Masaya ako na nagawa ko siya.
What's with comedy na talagang na-enjoy mo compared to the other genre that you did in the past?
Siguro yung ad-libs nakakatawa. Tsaka gumiskis kasi ako. Piling ko yung pinaka naging challenge ko dito sa pelikulang to is mahirap magpigil ng tawa pag tawang-tawa ka na. Lalo na kapag kasama mo si Benji Paras. Benji, grabe siya mag-ad-libs. Christian Bables, Kay Brosas. Ang hirap magpigil ng tawa. Ang hirap. Feeling ko yun yung pinaka-challenging part.
Sabi nga ni Kares kanina, from Good Doctor daw minsan lagare to Drugs to Riches. Kumusta yung pagpapalit mo minsan from this to that? Huhubad ka ng character.
Pa-bipolar na po actually. Hindi naman actually, I think what makes it easy for me is the people that I'm working with. Pag nasa set ako ng The Good Doctor, actually meron akong proseso that I do is I have a playlist for every character that I do. So pinapakinggan ko yung playlist na yun pag pupunta ako sa set. Parang just to get into my character, just to get into the vibe of what I'm gonna be working on. So pag The Good Doctor, medyo serious yung mga classical music yung mga pinapakinggan ko. And pag Drugs to Riches, kung ano-ano lang, like OPM, funny songs.
That's good. O ito naman, as lagari ka daw kasi after this may tour kayo ni Papa P, diba? How was it? Kumusta ang preparation? Anong mga i-expect ng fans sa inyo this coming tour?
Kakabalik lang namin from Australia. We just finished 2 shows there. Prior to that, we did a couple shows in the US. And ngayon, for the first time, magkakaroon kami ng European tour. Kami dalawa ni Papa, father and son. It's always a blast every time I get to perform with my dad. And at the same time, more than anything, we get to see a lot of our supporters and we get to travel to countries and places na ako I've never been to these places. So, masaya ako na nagagawa ko yun kasi kasama ko yung tatay ko.
Isa pa nakakatuwa, Inigo, is nagbabalik music na rin with your latest songs and sing that. Tell us something about that.
Ayan, of course, I'm really glad that I'm able to come back to music. I feel like after such a long time, it took me a long process to start writing again. I had my previous trilogy EP that I did few years ago, I think 2 years ago, yun yung pinakalas ko na ginawa. Pero sa bago kong music kasi ngayon, parang masasabi kong bumalik ako sa roots ko. I went back to how my old sound sounded like dahil sa yung era. At the same time, showing more maturity in my songwriting. And masaya ako. I mean, it's my passion. I think more than anything, if papapiliin ako acting, dancing, singing talaga yung masasabi ko number 1 of my list. And I'm just really grateful that I get to work on my music.
That's nice.
Speaking of Drugs to Riches, what is the movie all about? At saka anong role mo?
So ako dito si Troy at kami ni Elijah, yung character ni Elijah. Kami dito, rivals kami. And we're part of this big corporate company na ang boss namin is si Benji Paras. And ang business namin ay nagbebenta kami ng brief
Oh.
So,
Hawak
so
mo ang
kaya
brief.
kami nasa loob ng brief. And character ni Christian dito, Balimit twin siya. Simula siya, yung lalaking version na twin ni Christian. And then, as the story progresses, meet namin yung twin niya na drag queen.
Oh, hanggang doon na lang.
Gandun lang, kasi maging spoiler na yung iba. So, masaya siya. It's a very light, very happy, feel-good movie, and of course, celebrating Pride Month. Just in time for it.
And how does it feel na you went out of your comfort zone? Kasi hindi mo talaga, di ba,
Yeah.
comfort zone ang comedy, di ba?
Masaya ako, syempre. I mean, I get to challenge myself to try new things. And actually, pinag-uusapan nga namin yata kasi sabi ko, grabe yung mga ginagawa ko ngayon. Good doctor. It's also outside of my comfort zone. I mean, sobrang hirap din ng character ko dito. Tapos the other project that I'm doing, comedy naman. So talagang hindi siya sa mga yung kasanayan kong characters na pinoportray ko.
Super napakagaling na actor ni Christian Bablas. Ano yung natutunan mo sa kanya when it comes to comedy timing and all?
Grabe si Christian, nakakatakot siyang ka-eksena. Kasi meron niya minsan sa set, may isip niya yung gusto niyang ad-libin bago kami magsimula mag-take. Sabihin niya gano'n, ay may naisip ako. Tapos kami ni Elijah, magpapanik na kami nun kasi hindi niya sasabihin sa amin yung anong plano niya. So kami, mag-iintay kami, ano pa yung plano na ito ni Bables. Di namin alam paano kami magre-react. Pero masaya lang talaga eh. You have to, I guess with comedy, you really have to listen to your co-actors and you have to react according to ano man yung sinasabi ng eksena.
So paano ka nakasabay dun sa mga
A lot of times, nung nagsisimula kami, kasi natutunga nga ako. Kasi hindi ko talaga alam, direct, dito part ng script, direct anong gagawin ko dito. Pero eventually, after a couple of days of working with them, mas nakuha ko na, just being yourself and reacting to whatever your co-actors are giving you and giving that same energy. And fairness naman sa cast, walang bumababa yung energy. Lahat kami matataas yung energy. Lalong-lalo na si Christian. Masasabi kong sobrang hirap ng ginawa niya para sa pelikula to. Technically, tatlo yung characters na ipoportray. Technically, pero dalawa lang talaga. Pero technically, halos tatlo yung kailangan niyang gawin. And he does it all in one day. So grabe siya.
First time,
Tinungin niyo si Christian, may mga days kami na syempre tumatagal kasi kailangan niya magpalit sa drag queen. Tapos babalik na naman siya sa yung pagkalalaki na harap. Tapos babalik ulit siya sa drag queen. Pero okay naman, nakakatambay kami sa set.
first time makatrabaho si Elijah at si Christian.
First time ko makatrabaho silang parehas. Si Christian Babes, classmate ko siya for mga 2 years sa workshop. So matagal ko nang kilala si Christian. Si Elijah, tropa ko talaga si Elijah. When it comes to music and of course parehas kami cornerstone. Kami tatlo. So isa sa mga masasabi ko, kaibigan mo talaga sa, even outside showbiz.
Magaling kang actor, pero ito say, ano yung challenge na makatrabaho mo yung mga award-winning actors like Christian and
Elijah.
Oh.
It's an honor for me to be able to work with them. And aminado ko na pag nasa-set kami, aminado ko na ang gagaling nilang lahat, ma-acting. And ako madami ako natututunan sa kanila with every scene that they do. I get to learn new things from them, new perspectives.
when was the last time you did a movie?
Fatherland.
Oh, galing.
Last year ata yung Fatherland.
Yeah, Joel Lamangan.
So medyo, yun naman drama naman yun. Director Joel.
Tapos pansin namin sa mga project, parang hindi na more on love teams, parang solo na, ganyan. Is it your personal choice or parang yun lang yung mga naging na pagkakataon?
I'm not closing my doors into doing anything with love teams or a partner in a movie. Para sa akin, dumadating siguro yung lahat ng artists na nagkaroon ng love team sa phase na gusto mo rin mag-try na mag-solo o gumawa ng acting projects outside of the love team. And it's not an easy process na kumawala sa love team. I mean, in the Philippine industry talagang big deal yung love team, lalo na kung teenager ka, nagsimula kang bata ka. And once you're able to work on other projects, it's almost like a fulfilling feeling.
Are you still open working with your collab teams before?
Oh yeah, definitely. Actually, yeah, super open. Nakita ko siya just natulong ako last week sa premiere ng Tayo sa Wakas. And we were able to bond, we were able to hang out a bit. And And yeah, I'm very open to work with anyone, like any of my love teams from the past.
Sabi mo kanina, yung music ang parang mas priority.
Priority mo.
Saan ang ganyan?
I've always loved music ever since I was a kid. I think it's something na masasabi ko, I always find myself going back to my music. Even with kahit na umarte ako ng different projects and all that, I would say music pa rin yung nagiging number one sa puso ko.
Nahanap-hanap.
Yeah. I feel like I always catch myself writing songs from time to time.
Ano yung biggest dream mo when it comes to music? Pinapangarap mo?
I mean, syempre makatawid internationally to break that boundary, and I'm so glad that we live in a time na nagagawa na ng Beam, Espinete, and a lot of amazing artists are able to cross over. And I guess for me, that's something that I still would want to pursue.
Parang pansin namin, parang wala pa yata kayong acting work together ng father.
Di ba? Wala pa.
Wala pa. Ano ba?
Wala pa
Parang
dyan,
may mga times ba na may mga ganun
May
pero
offers.
hindi talaga
Wala pa naman. Pero it's something that I've spoken to my dad about. I feel like it would be an interesting story if we both fell in love with the same girl story. Tapos father and son. Parang
Wow.
ano siya, parang ang cool lang ng concept. But wala pa namang nasusulat.
Pero ano ba, are you open working with
Oh, yeah,
sa ganun
definitely,
klase?
definitely.
Hindi ka ba kakabahan or matatakot?
I feel like lagi naman ako kakabahan pag si Papa kasama ko sa kahit anong bus. Thank you guys. Salamat.